Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Mustafa's Global Views. Today we are breaking down the Iran-Israel conflict. This tension between Iran and Israel has been building for years. Israel sees Iran as a major threat because Iran supports groups like Israel and Hamas, who oppose Israel. Iran, on the other hand, sees Israel as a challenge to its influence in the region. The conflict often plays out through threats, proxy war, and sometimes direct attacks on each other's interests. Recently, both countries have been using drones, cyber attacks, and political influence rather than a full scale war. Many fear this rivalry could lead to wider problems in the Middle East, affecting global peace. However, world power and trying to prevent things from scale escalating. Thanks for watching Musavir's Global Views. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.